Heavy-duty construction and mining equipment rely on a continuous supply of fresh lubricant to flush contaminants from critical pivot points, to not only keep the machines running smoothly, but also to avoid catastrophic failure. The electric Dyna-Star system provides a safer, more streamlined refilling operation and reduces the potential for grease contamination that can have a negative effect on the life of the pump and metering valves supplying the grease. It improves operator safety by eliminating the need to run the machine during the grease refilling operation, and also eliminates the need to climb on the machine to access grease points. Key features of the electric Dyna-Star include great performance at very low temperatures due to the maintenance-free Graco Advantage drive and on-pump electronic controls. The pump's IP69K rated enclosure helps ensure long life and reliable service in the harshest environments. The built-in low-level signal alerts operators to refill when they're getting low on lubricant without shutting down operations. The in-cab alert provides an audible and visual warning when grease is low and automatically clears when the reservoir is refilled. Graco technology allows the low-level signal to reliably work without the use of a follower plate. Once it's time to refill the reservoir, Graco's ground-level fill port and autofill shutoff provide easy and safe access to eliminate the need for the operator to climb on the machine. The gauge on the refill port alerts the operator when the Dyna-Star is full and allows for quick, spill-free pressure venting. The mechanical autofill shutoff will then automatically shut down the filling operation when the pump is full to avoid costly spills. Compared to pumps with electric autofill shutoff, Graco's mechanical version eliminates the need to run the machine while filling, further enhancing operator safety. The electric Dyna-Star is now available factory assembled with both autofill shutoff and a low-level signal in both 60-pound and 90-pound system installation kits. Each installation kit includes a GLC 2200 controller, ground-level fill port, pressure switch, and electrical harnesses for an easy installation. Graco's electric Dyna-Star, coupled with GO1 series injectors, offer a complete solution to automate the maintenance process to improve operator safety, reduce downtime, and increase productivity. For more information on electric Dyna-Star, check out www.graco.com.